Hello everyone, my name is Cam, and welcome to another RAMShard Minecraft plugin tutorial. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Hopping into this, be sure to install the ChatControl plugin first. If you don't know how, look to the top right for the iCard and how to install plugins. This plugin gives you the ability to filter your chat and stop spam. Starting out, head into your server and type the command /chclist, and this will show you all the in-game commands. To mute a player, type /chcmute-s, the player, and the reason that you muted them. To unmute a player, type the same command again. To clear a player's chat, type /chclear, the player, and the reason. Now heading to the control panel, go to your server, click the Files drop-down tab, and click Config Files. Once you are in the config files, click Settings.yml. This will display all of the useful settings for the plugin. In this, you can turn on and off anti-caps. Underneath, you can set a whitelist on words you allow. This plugin also allows you to format your chat, but for this to work, you need Vault. Vault basically replaces Essentials chat. Here, you have your global and message format, which is set to prefix, player, suffix, and message, which can all be changed. There's also a feature called range mode. You can toggle this if you want people to only be able to talk in a set range of blocks. Next, go back to your config files page and click on handlers.yml. This will display more settings you can change, like advertising ban filters and a swear filter. Here, you can change the warn messages and set it so every time someone either advertises or swears, it alerts the staff and sends it to a log file. If you need any more help, the plugin page will be in the description. Now that is how you can easily use the ChatControl plugin on your Minecraft server. Thanks for watching.